Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for anyone relying on their DYMO 93085 LabelWriter Twin Turbo Thermal Label Maker, a compatible AC adapter replacement from DYMO. It's a common scenario. An original adapter gets misplaced, damaged, or perhaps you just need a reliable backup. This particular replacement aims to fill that gap, promising not just power, but peace of mind. One of the standout features, highlighted for this DYMO adapter, is its robust safety profile. The manufacturer emphasizes that it complies with international quality certification authorities, meaning it meets top industry standards. This isn't just marketing jargon, it translates into practical protection for your valuable label maker. We're talking about built-in safeguards against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. For anyone who's ever worried about power fluctuations or the longevity of their electronics, these safety mechanisms are incredibly reassuring. It means you can plug in your DYMO LabelWriter and focus on your labeling tasks without constantly fretting about potential electrical issues. Beyond safety, the adapter's performance specifications are equally impressive. It boasts an input of AC 102 40V 5060 Hz, making it suitable for use in various regions without needing a voltage converter. More importantly, it's designed for high power exchange efficiency. What this means for the user is a stable working temperature for the adapter itself, which contributes to its own lifespan and more consistent, reliable power delivery to your label maker. This efficiency helps ensure your DYMO 93085 operates smoothly, preventing any power-related hiccups during critical printing jobs. The connectivity technology is described as Powerline, with a standard power source connector type, suggesting a straightforward plug-and-play experience. While the compatible devices PC might seem a little broad, it's understood that this adapter is specifically for the DYMO 93085 LabelWriter Twin Turbo, which often connects to a PC for its operations. The brand, DYMO, positions this as a reliable alternative, ensuring your label maker remains fully functional. A crucial reminder, as always, is the kindly note from the manufacturer. Always double-check that you are indeed choosing the right device before purchasing. This ensures perfect compatibility and optimal performance for your specific DYMO model. Overall, for anyone in need of a dependable replacement or a spare power adapter for their DYMO 93085 LabelWriter Twin Turbo, this DYMO offering appears to be a solid contender. It prioritizes safety, delivers efficient and stable power, and aims to keep your label-making operations running without a hitch. It's an investment in keeping your essential office equipment powered up and protected.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.